Bingo Cache crashing immediately after a video ad usually means the problem is tied to the app session, the ad loading process, or temporary app data, rather than your Bingo Cache account. By the end, you'll know which fixes to try first, and how to tell whether the crash is caused by Bingo Cache or your device. Start by completely closing Bingo Cache and reopening it. If the app crashes again after the same type of AD, don't repeatedly open the same screen. First, test another part of the app to see whether Bingo Cache stays open normally. If Bingo Cache only crashes when an advertisement finishes, check your internet connection. Open YouTube or another video app and play a video. If other videos also freeze or fail, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and test Bingo Cache again. If other video apps work normally, temporarily disable any VPN, private DNS, ad blocker, or network filtering service on your device. These services can interfere with connections used by in-app advertisements. After changing the setting, fully close Bingo Cache and reopen it. On Android, clear Bingo Cache's temporary cache. Open Settings, select Apps, choose Bingo Cache, open Storage, and select Clear Cache if your phone provides that option. Clear Cache removes temporary files without performing the more aggressive Clear Storage reset. On iPhone, there isn't a standard option to clear the cache for an individual app. Instead, restart the iPhone and check whether Bingo Cache still crashes after an ad. Next, check for an available Bingo Cache update. On Android, open Google Play and search for Bingo Cache. On iPhone, open the App Store, tap your account icon and check available updates. Install an available update before trying a reinstall. Also check whether your phone has enough free storage. A device that is very low on storage can have problems running apps and creating temporary files. Remove unnecessary downloads or unused apps if storage is nearly full, then restart the device and test Bingo Cache again. If Bingo Cache crashes only after one particular advertisement, but the rest of the app works normally, the problem may be associated with that ad, rather than the entire application. In that situation, note which screen triggers the crash and report the behavior to Bingo Cache support. Reinstalling should be the later step, not the first one. Before deleting Bingo Cache, make sure you know your login details and can access the account again. The main fixes are to restart Bingo Cache, test another network, disable VPN or filtering tools, clear the Android cache, update the app, and check available device storage. Start with the network test and app restart because they don't remove your account data. If this fixed the crash after ads, like the video and subscribe for more Bingo Cache fixes.